Today, we're looking into the story of Lionel Lepage, a behind-the-scenes professional whose name became known to the public following a tribute on the popular series Death in Paradise and Netflix show Bandi. While he wasn't a face regularly seen on screen, he was an important part of the production team, and his passing left many viewers with questions. So now, many are asking, what was Lionel Lepage's cause of death? Let's find out. Lionel Lepage was a valued crew member who worked on Death in Paradise, contributing to the success of the long-running television series. His work, like many behind the camera, played a key role in bringing the show to life. In June 2025, news emerged that Lionel Lepage had passed away at the age of 39. The show later honored him with a tribute, highlighting the impact he had on the team and those who worked closely with him. However, unlike many public figures, details surrounding his passing were kept very private. No official statement was released specifying the medical circumstances or events leading to his death. Neither the production team nor family members publicly disclosed further information. So, what was Lionel Lepage's cause of death? As of now, the exact cause of death has not been publicly revealed. This decision to keep details private is not uncommon, especially when families choose to grieve away from public attention. While the circumstances of his passing remain unknown, Lionel Lepage is remembered by colleagues and viewers as a respected member of the Death in Paradise team. From working behind the scenes to being honored on screen, his legacy lives on through the show and the people he worked with. Thanks for watching. If you want more stories like this and updates on public figures, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know who you want next.